Ayan siya. Alright, I'm excited to see this very cute kid. Alright, can you share your name again?
Lakas may boses mo na. Ay, hindi pa. Ay, hindi ba? Eh, ba't tinawag na siya? Ay, kasali siya sa modeling. Opo, modeling. Ah, magmo-model ka muna, no?
Ayan, what's your name?
Gusto ko mag-dance.
Oh, modeling ka muna. Mo-model ka muna, magmo-model, no?
Okay, anong pangalan mo?
Precious po.
Ilang taon ka na?
5 years old.
Taga saan ka?
Pampanga.
Pampanga. Okay, anong gagawin mo ngayon? Anong talent mo?
Dance. Molding.
Modeling. Modeling mo na siya. Okay, palakpakan natin si Precious.
Lalakad. Luis!
Oh, I indicate thank you for ice cream so good. One delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Super yummy. Super eating. Wow. Ding 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 dong. 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 Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy. Wow. Ding 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 dong. Ding 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 dong. Ding 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 dong. Ding 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 dong. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Super yummy. Super eating. Wow.
Wow, may pa-split! Congratulations! Precious. So, sino nagturo sa yung sumayaw?
Si Mami po.
Do you love dancing?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. May question sa iyo ang ating judge. Our third judge, please go ahead.
Hi, Precious. So, ang tanong ko sa'yo, malaki ng bahay ko.
Advance. Wala pa yung tanong, Precious. Okay. Sige, pakinggan mo muna yung question ni Miss Zia.
Kung ikaw ang mananalo, ano ang gagawin mo sa premyo mo?
Gusto ko po mag-artista.
Bakit gusto mo maging artista?
Para mamimiss si Mami at Daddy ko.
Ayun, thank you very much, Precious Magalino. And I could